I'm excited about this. This right here is keep up with the beat. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be not focusing on mute groups, but we're gonna be using it. So let's go ahead and load up the kit first. So go ahead and load up the kit that you downloaded off the site. We're gonna go right to our loops. The first one is gonna be the Bango Dance, which is right at the top of the kit. And I put that on pad 5. Go ahead and add Taste My Strings. And it's gonna be Taste My Strings right under Sweet Nothing. So right here. And that's gonna be on pad 6. So add that. Go ahead and go back for the kick. Carpet Punch, pad 1. Load that up. For the snare, it's gonna be the 2006 clap on pad 2. And we're gonna go to the hi-hats and we're gonna select the dirty hi-hat and we're gonna put that on pad 3 and 4. And remember, if you need to duplicate it, instead of just doing it the long way, you can click the pad, press copy, and then, duplicate it to the next one. Now that we got this laid out, what we need to do is we need to adjust that mute group. Go to program edit, and it's probably gonna be set on samples, but you're gonna go to LFO modulation, mute group, and you're gonna select pad 5. And you can put that on any mute group, 1, 2, as long as you don't have it on some other project. And you want that to shut off with that one. So what I did was I put both of these on 2. So both of these are on 2. And they cut each other off. So what we're gonna do is keep that beat. We're gonna keep it going seamlessly between these two samples, shuffling. One's at 120, one's at 119. But that's the fun in it because you're doing it live, so you have that control. We'll go ahead and start off and you can follow me. Let's go. It's a different tempo, but we're still here because we're in control. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of hi-hat. Now I'm not gonna double the hi-hat on you like that. I'm not gonna hit it with the 2. We'll focus on the 1 for right now. We'll do that in the next one. So let's go ahead and start it off. So the goal is to keep it going. As you see, we're in a whole different feel. And obviously when you transition to different loops, we're gonna change the drums. But for right now, we're gonna keep the same drums all the way through just to get the feel of the transition. We'll do it again, and I'm gonna add the pad 4 to it, and I'm gonna add a little bit more spice to it, because this is the hard level. This is what it is. If you guys hear, you hear. Ready? Got a track right there. That's the Instagram video right there. So definitely keep that going. Definitely practice that. That's going to be vital for the change ups. I'm really excited for the next lesson because that's when I'm going to start adding the voxes and the cutoffs to where you can really manipulate it and really get in control. I'm excited. I'm glad you guys are too. If you have any questions, leave it in the feedback. Other than that, you guys be easy.